Here's my sequential taillights right here, turn signals. During the daylight, it's a little hard to see, but there's the hazards. See them separate. Here's the left one. See, it's a little slower when it's on individually. Hazards are a little quicker. They get separate flashers, that's why. And then there's the right side, and that's just about it. Pretty easy to hook up to. I'll just pop it open so you can see inside. Just all that stuff right there. And there. We'll have the interior panel in there to cover it all up too, so it won't look too bad.